Hello my beautiful shoppers, today I'm going to show you these amazing lipstick set. It comes in a pack of 6 beautiful 6 colors. I love all the colors. It has a nice pinkish nude, pink tones, red and a little rusty tone, all my favorite colors in it. Waterproof, it would not stick on anything like a cup if you're drinking water or something like that after applying it. Very highly pigmented and perfect colors, which I like. And beautiful packaging, I would say, great as a gift. Let's apply one color and show you how it looks. Right now I am just picking this nice peachy coral here. I love these shades. It goes with mostly all your outfit like that, blues and stuff like that. Very nice, guys. It's gliding so well. It smells like watermelon. I love it. It's nice and smooth, glides really well, and it's not sticky like the other liquid lipsticks, which I like about this. And again, once again, love the colors, nice, waterproof, great for using it for professional makeup artists. If you are looking for some nice lipsticks for your clients, I recommend this. I like it. It's not sticky. It's I'm able to talk properly, and even after the application. So like it. It's again from the brand called BestLand, and it is very easily available on Amazon.